Hi everyone, let's learn some new words that you can use to replace very. Very shy, timid, very simple, basic, very skinny, skeletal, very slow, sluggish, very small, petite, very smart, intelligent, very smelly, pungent, very smooth, sleek, very mean, cruel, very messy, slovenly, very necessary, essential, very nervous, apprehensive, very nice, kind, very noisy, deafening, very often, frequently, very old, ancient, very old-fashioned, archaic, very calm, serene, very careful, cautious, very cheap, stingy, very clean, spotless, very clear, obvious, very cold, freezing, very colorful, vibrant, very competitive, cutthroat, very complete, comprehensive, very tall, towering, very tasty, delicious, very thirsty, parched, very tired, constricting, very tiny, minuscule, very tired, exhausted, very ugly, hideous, very unhappy, miserable, very upset, distraught, very difficult, arduous, very dirty, filthy, very dry, arid, very dull, tedious, very easy, effortless, very empty, desolate, very excited, thrilled, very exciting, exhilarating, very expensive, costly, very fancy, lavish, very fast, swift, very fat, obese, very friendly, amiable, very frightened, alarmed, very frightening, terrifying, very funny, hilarious, very glad, overjoyed, very good, excellence, very great, terrific, very happy, ecstatic, very hard, difficult, very hard to find, rare, very heavy, laden, very high, soaring, very hot, sweltering, very huge, colossal, very hungry, starving, very hurt, better. Thanks for watching.